If you want to take handwritten notes inside Evernote, this is the fastest way to do it. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you want to sketch quick ideas, jot down handwritten reminders, draw diagrams, or add a personal handwritten touch to your notes, Evernote makes it surprisingly easy. And the best part is, once you know where to click, you can create handwritten style notes in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Evernote and go to the note where you want to add your handwritten content. This can be an existing note or a brand new one, depending on what you're working on. Once your note is open, look for the plus button, usually labeled Insert, in the note editor. Click that Insert button. Then from the menu that appears, choose Sketch. In some versions of Evernote, this may look like a squiggly line icon. So if you don't immediately see the word Sketch, just look for that drawing style symbol. After you click Sketch, Evernote will open the Sketch window, which is where you can write or draw by hand. Now you can choose the tool that works best for your note. You'll usually have options like a brush, pencil, or marker, and depending on the version you're using, you may also be able to adjust the color and thickness of the line. If you want your handwriting to look bold and clear, a marker style is a great choice. If you want something lighter and more natural, the pencil tool might feel better. Take a second to pick the tool that fits the style you want. Once your tool is selected, start writing or drawing directly in the sketch area. You can use your mouse, trackpad, stylus, or even a touchscreen device if you have one. If you're using a tablet or touchscreen monitor, handwritten notes will feel even more natural, but you can still do it perfectly well with a mouse or trackpad too. If you make a mistake, just switch to the eraser tool and clean it up right away. That makes it easy to keep your note neat and readable without starting over. You can also use the sketch area for more than just handwriting. For example, you can draw arrows, circles, simple diagrams, or quick visual layouts to help organize your ideas. This is especially useful for planning, brainstorming, school notes, meeting summaries, or quick to-do lists. Keep in mind that handwritten notes in Evernote are saved as a sketch image inside your note, so everything stays attached to the page and easy to find later. When you're happy with your handwritten note, look to the top right corner of the sketch window and click Done. This saves your sketch and inserts it directly into the note. Once it's saved, you'll be able to view your handwriting right there alongside the rest of your note content. That's really all there is to it. Open the note, insert a sketch, choose your writing tool, handwrite or draw, then click Done to save it. It's a simple workflow, but once you've done it once or twice, it becomes incredibly fast. So whether you're creating handwritten study notes, quick reminders, or visual notes for work, Evernote gives you an easy way to do it all in one place. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Evernote tips, app guides, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.